don't even need time, I just need my fingers. Press it once a day, set the alarm. You can't even do that, then what do you wanna do? I've been looking at my phone all day. Try pressing your phone once a day. Press your finger, then you'll be rich. Paikkoin, step toward the future. Where your mind ain't saving energy. It's a more familiar environment. Just press your phone once a day. I can't buy Bitcoin because it's expensive. Hundreds of millions of wanted graphic cards. I don't have money, I can't even mine. It's worth it, but it's also slow to transmit. The commission is expensive too. The emissions are limited. A bunch of competing coins trying to beat them. They're expensive, they don't have money, they can't even mine. Why Paikkoin? Paikkoin. I step toward the future, a new way of mining, saving energy. It's a more familiar environment. Just press your phone once a day. Enhanced with encryption algorithms and security denies. P-network foundation of trust. Starting with testnet, mainnet will be launched. You can click on your phone once a day. Expect the value of the coin. It's not listed on the exchange yet. I'm sure a lot of people are paying attention. 50 million people around the world are already mined. Look forward to the potential of the coin. I'm looking forward to your growth. I don't even need money, I don't even need time. I just need my fingers, press it once a day. Set the alarm, you can't even do that. Then what do you want to do? I've been looking at my phone all day. Try pressing your phone once a day. Press your finger, then you'll be rich. Then you'll be rich. Paikkoin, Paikkoin. Step toward the future, new way of mind, saving energy. It's a more familiar environment. Just press your phone once a day. Just press your phone once a day. Just press